Hi guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. Just remember, if this is the sort of content that you do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe. So guys, as you would have seen by the thumbnail, I think this is probably one of the ugliest cars I've ever detailed in my life. Now this is a Mercedes 350 CDI, which is owned by a good friend of mine, Phil. His car has been on his channel a few times before. He's the guy with the black BMW X5, and if you haven't seen that video, please go check it out. So as we start off, as always, with the rim mats. So as you'll see, I'm just spraying the IK sprayer on the wheels, tyres and arches. In the IK sprayer, I have built ambers, touchless, and then we're going around with Stiana glosses, cool. And just as an extra bit of lubricity, we're going round the IK foamer with Garage Therapy's wheel shampoo. And just with any wheel cleaning, guys, if you haven't got an EZ barrel brush, you are very missing out. It's probably one of the best barrel brushes out there. And as you see, I'm teamed it up with Dual Action's tyre brush. Now, this was on my list for one of the things that I wanted at Waxstock, and fair play, it hasn't let me down. I absolutely love this thing. And obviously the trusty Vican soft bristle brush for the faces, before we go in with the soft 99 detailing brush. And once we finish with the wheel cleaning, you'll see that I'm rinsing the arches, the tyres and the face of the wheels with the Arva P57 Easy. Now, some of you will know that I've had this a while and I absolutely love this pressure washer. My Karcher K5 Compact is in the back of the shed gathering dust. And just for that little bit of protection, I'm just going to spray a couple of spritzy sprays of Bouncers Bead Juice. Let it sit for a couple of seconds and then rinse off. So now we're on to the pre-wash, and as you'll see, I'm using the same Built Amber Touchless in the IK sprayer just to cover the lower half of the car. Now you can spray this anywhere you want to, it doesn't have to be the lower half, but normally the lower half of the car is the dirtiest. And now I'm just going over the top with Garage Therapy Snow Foam just to let the pre-wash dwell and do its thing. So as you'll see, I'm making great use of the Arva extender lance. Main reason being is because I didn't want to get my socks and sandals too wet. But this is a fantastic bit of kit. I really do enjoy using this pressure washer. So now we're on to the shampoo stage, guys. And as you know, I like to apply my shampoos via snow foam lance. And this Arva Premium Snow Foam lance is up there. And there was only one shampoo for this job, and that was Garage Therapy's Decon shampoo. Now this shampoo needs no introduction in the detailing world. It is probably one of the best and most versatile product. Now the dilutions can go from 1 to 10 to 1 to 75. It can be used for a number of things, from engine bay cleaning, rubber and tyre cleaning. You can also use it as a shampoo, snow foam. This product is absolutely fantastic. And don't forget, while you're doing your shampoo stage, get that brush out, get into all the intricate bits, all the door rubbers, and you will be surprised how much dirt and filth is locked up in them. So just to clear things up, I'm going to go to a waxing next, but after hours of drying, machine polishing, clay barring and all the rest of it to get this car looking a lot better than what it was, my Insta360 camera decided to corrupt some of the files. So I've managed to save the waxing, the tyre application, and thank God the afters. But I do apologise. So as you'll see, I'm using the PXC80 just to apply some Malco watermelon paste wax to this ugly looking Mercedes, and it makes light work of applying. So my tyre dressing of choice at the minute is Dual's Actions Profile. I find it really good. Goes on really nice. Little goes a long way. Leaves nothing but a matte finish. Really do enjoy using this stuff. And here she is, guys, the final product. Have I turned the ugly duckling into a beautiful swan? It's still going to be an ugly car no matter what it is. It's like putting sprinkles on a turd. But the overall results, the headlights come up like new, the wheels were like new, the bodywork, a deep gloss shine. After bringing this paintwork back to life by the fizzer pads and compounds. But all in all, the customer was happy. I was happy. And guys, please let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Love interacting as always. Thanks so much for watching and being patient while I put some more content out for you guys. And I will catch you on the next one. Take care. Ta-ra.